Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to take screenshots on Windows 11 in 2025. I will be covering the different methods that you can use whether you want a quick capture or something more advanced. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our first method, in order to take screenshot in your Windows 11, you can just simply press the PRT SCN key on your keyboard. So as you can see, this is the section, let's say, which I want to take a screenshot of. If I press the key that I've just mentioned for you, you will be shown this type of tool in front of you. You can just simply drag and drop to the section, the screenshot of which you want to get, just like so. Then as you can see, the screenshot is ready and you can go to your pictures section in order to take a look at that screenshot. You can also press Windows plus PRTSC key on your keyboard. So here, if you do that, you will see some kind of capture here on the screen. So it simply means that you have successfully screenshotted this particular screen. Again, you can go to the pictures section, as you can see over here, and take a look at the picture that you have just taken. Now, in our third method, what you can do is you can simply use the search bar here in the bottom. Over here, you can just simply search for snipping tool. So once you search for snipping tool, you can click on the option of new. Then you are going to see this type of tool in front of you. So let's say on this particular page, I want to take a screenshot of only this section. So you can just simply take a screenshot of it. Now you can just use the brushes that are given over here in order to select any particular or specific area. Then click on the option of save here in the top right hand corner of the screen. This way also you can take a screenshot in your Windows 11. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.